and you want a scatter plot of all the combinations of the data points here. Okay, so you're going to highlight all of these data points, and then you're going to click Insert. You're going to find Scatterplot. Okay, Scatterplot is just the dots that show the correlation between each of the sets of numbers. And then you are going to pull up this chart, change the name. This will be correlation between GPA and perceived stress. Okay. And then, so you have your correlation, you have your scatter plot, and you have all your data. You can put your means here, standard deviations here, and that's all you need to turn in. So I hope this was helpful for you guys.